Diabetes. Some people believe that there's no cure for diabetes, but there's a cure for diabetes with herbal and roots. It's a thing you can prepare at your home. That's why we call it home remedies. First of all, before we talk about the apps and things you need to use for the cure, you need to understand and know what type of illness in your body. What is diabetes? Before you continue, I'm rest assured and 100% confident that this information which I will give you will work for you. Firstly, we need to understand diabetes. Diabetes is one of the leading cause of death in the world. And if not taken care of properly, diabetes could lead to sugar build up in the blood, which can increase the risk of stroke and heart disease too. Several different kinds of diabetes can occur, and taking care of it depends on the type. Also, it is important to know that not all type of diabetes occur from unhealthy lifestyle. Some are present since childhood. As of 2016, Nigerians and some other developing country has the highest number of people with diabetes within 3.9 million. Diabetes is a disease that occur when your blood glucose or blood sugar is too high. Blood glucose is your main source of energy and come from food you eat. A hormone made by the pancreas help glucose from food get into your cell to be used for energy, or a condition that reduces the body ability to process blood glucose, otherwise known as blood sugar, is commonly known as diabetes. Complication of diabetes: cardiovascular disease, nerve damage, kidney damage, eyes damage, foot damage, skin conditions, hearing impairment, eczema disease. And some certain things are there that doctor will never tell you. Now I will tell you what doctor don't tell you. If you ask them what cause that diabetes, some will say they don't know, some will blame it on old age, some will blame it on nutrition. As sad as this conflicting information is, they prescribe heavy dosage for you monthly and you buy them without hesitation because earth is wet. Earth is wet. Earth is wet. The truth is that you are diabetes because your pancreas does not produce enough insulin. That is why some patients do take insulin injection early morning. Your body does not make use of the insulin produced. That is number 2. Number 3, your immune system is too weak for fight against extreme force, extreme or external forces. Why does your pancreas not produce insulin? Why does your body does not make use of insulin? Why is your immune system weak? These are the questions you should ask your doctor. But how would you ask when they don't even tell you what caused your illness or what caused diabetes in your body system? The reason all these are happening to you is because your system is filled with toxin. This is the root cause of all disease. So the first stage of treatment is to get rid of toxin in your system. If these 3 things goes wrong, regardless of the age, gender, diabetes will come into play. But some people say it only affect elderly people. It can affect anybody regardless of the age. just that it is common among old people because their immune system get weak with age. Now there's different type of diabetes. Type 1. This also goes by the name juvenile diabetes, as it is occur when the body is unable to produce insulin. People who have this kind of diabetes need to depend on artificial insulin for their body to function well. Type 2. As against type 1, the body continue to produce insulin but it utilize it on a different way, and the cell in the human body do not effectively respond to it. This is the commonest diabetes kind, and it is known to be linked with obesity. Other type of diabetes include gestational, monogenic, cystic. Now we are here to discuss what you can use to cure diabetes. This thing is very common everywhere. At your home, you can get it in the market, you can get it in the grocery shop, you can get it near your building. This root has been used for centuries in India. Evidence is catching up to its medical use, showing benefits for glucose metabolism, insulin level, and as an adjunct to improve the result of traditional pharmaceutical. Be aware, because this botanical works synergistically with your needs. You must monitor your blood sugar closely to avoid having hypoglycemia. 2. A medically beneficial indulgence to help lower your blood sugar and cholesterol level. Mix half of teaspoon of this root with warm water and consume once every day as possible. Number 3. This is one of my all-time favorite botanical found in plants such as current evidence supports its use for decreased blood sugar. Please put this in mind that these herbs can interfere with metabolism of traditional pharmaceutical and should never be taken while pregnant. Number 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is very common in our neighborhood. Make sure to get the juice of the gel. There is increasing evidence for use of the gel, which is the mucilaginous material inside the leaf. Be sure that any product you buy is free of iron or to avoid finding yourself in the bedroom consuming with buttermilk as much as you can. Apple cider vinegar is number 5. The primary compound in apple cider vinegar is acetic acid, and it is believed to be responsible for many of its health benefits. There are many evidence-based approach to using apple cider vinegar. Taking 2 tablespoons before bedtime can reduce your morning fasting sugar level. Even better, 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar taken with milk can decrease the glycemic load of a carbohydrate-rich meal. I generally tell patients to either consume apple cider vinegar alone prior to a meal or mix it into salad dressing or tea. Number 6, that is drumstick or moringa. Moringa. Moringa offers essential medical benefits that can help control blood sugar level and treat type 2 diabetes. It is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. Now, this how to use it. Cut a few pieces and put it into a jug full of water. Keep sipping on it whenever you feel like tasting. Throw some in your dal and delve into its richness. Number 7. Get a fresh bitter leaf and fresh scent leaf. Then squeeze out the water inside the two leaf into a very clean glass. Then add little more lime orange juice. Then grind fresh garlic and little potassium into the mixture. Then take one glass in the morning and evening every day for 1 month. This number 7 is very effectively. If you can do this every day for good 1 month, you will praise God for everything He has done for you. And if you are taking this drug, you are using one of these apps I've mentioned earlier, please avoid sugary things. Avoid a lot of things that is sugar, that is contain sugar.